prosperous in life. Welcome to Dr. PM Times. In this channel, I will be focusing on what is health, whether health is related to just physical well-being or anything else. I will be discussing on mostly the preventive measures of various lifestyle diseases or non-communicable diseases which is widely prevalent nowadays. First, let me start with what is health. As per WHO definition, health is defined as a state of physical, mental and social well-being, and it is not merely a state of lack of disease or infirmity. So from this, we clearly understand that health means not only physical health, it is also the mental health and the social health. So in this episode, I am going to purely concentrate on how to preserve your mental health. Mental health means how calm and composed you are, how satisfied and contented you are in life, and how balanced you are in various situations and perturbations that you reach or face in everyday life, and ultimately how happy you are. To me, health is equal to happiness. The more happy you are, more you are in a relaxed state of mind with mindfulness, the better healthy you are. Because when you are happy, it leads to release of a lot of endorphins and dopamine, which are positive hormones which elevates your mood and keeps you in a state of well-being, which is helpful to face any adverse situations. Adverse situation here in the sense any illnesses. So let us try to concentrate on the measures to preserve your mental health. Now here comes the question, what is happiness? We are all in pursuit of happiness. Whether happiness is there in the amount of money you have earned, happiness is there in the degree that you have acquired by education, happiness is there in the administrative posts that you hold after long years of service. No. A strong no here. Happiness is not there in all these things. In fact, happiness is easier, which is easily available everywhere. And it is our ignorance which prevents us to acquire it. So now, from my experience, from my knowledge acquired from my teachers, from the books I read, I have summarized a few points which gives you real happiness. The first point is, any person should have a clear-cut vision in his life. Vision is the art of seeing things that is invisible. You should have a motive and you should have the motivation to work towards it. You should have specific clear-cut goals, long-term target, and you should start working towards your target with passion and energy. And in pursuit of your goal, you will be facing a lot of obstacles, or you have to put in a lot of effort. While putting that effort, you will be crossing or climbing step by step to reach your goal. Every time you cross a step, you get that inner satisfaction or happiness. Nothing compared to that. Say for example, I being a doctor, my vision is to become a very good diabetologist. So to reach that pursuit, I did my masters in diabetology first. Then I started seeing my patients. And when my patients' number increased, say from 10 to 100, 100 to 1000, etc. And among that, if I was able to keep 90% of my patients under normal glycemic control, I feel a satisfaction. I feel an inner gratitude that I am able to overcome the obstacles step by step, and I am in my pursuit towards my goal. So happiness is setting a vision, working towards it, climbing towards your vision, step by step, crossing all the obstacles that comes to you on your way. Second, happiness is nowhere. It is around you. It is in the people who are around you. The way you behave with them, the way they show their affection and courtesy towards you. So happiness lies in getting as many meaningful relationships as possible. So our pursuit should be acquiring as many meaningful relationships as possible. The love showered by your parents, the affection shown by your wife, the admiration or adulation of your children towards you, the admiration shown by your students, the friendship that you have developed with your friends, all those gives you immense happiness. So happiness is in people. So go for the people. Go to the society. It's exactly called social well-being. A person who has so many hearts looking for your betterment is the happiest person in the world. He is the richest man in this world. Third thing is happiness lies in helping others. It may not be a bigger help, a financial help. It need not be something what is not possible by you. Just render small help, comforts to the people who approach you. Just giving a blanket for a poor man lying on the roadside. Supplying tea for a person who is hungry, or showing the way to a stranger, clearing doubts of your students, or giving relief to a suffering patient. The patient, especially the children, when they are suffering from, say, severe headache or stomach ache, after giving a small injection, when they are relieved of the pain, they will see you with the tears in their eyes, filled with gratitude. That gives immense pleasure to a doctor, which no money can give you. So happiness lies in helping others, small ways. And when those people show their gratitude and affection, you feel so satisfied and contented. So that is where real happiness lies. Next, happiness is there in mindfulness. Mindfulness means living in the moment. You learn to live in the moment. Don't worry about the past. Don't regret about the past. Don't have any apprehensions about your future. Instead, just be here now. Work in this moment. If you ask me which is the happiest moment in your life, I will see this moment, this minute, when I am expressing my views about happiness to you, is the happiest moment in my life. Because I am so involved, getting engaged in the process, fully involved, committed, and I want to express myself fully to you with all the emotions. And that is where real happiness lies. You should know to mind the mindfulness. You should know how to mind your thoughts, how to develop the patience to live in what is going on now. Okay, so only if you live here now, you will enjoy what is available now. You will enjoy the pleasant smell of coffee. Some in Zen hypothesis, there is a small thing called how to have your tea. People used to sit in a group, they will have the tea sip by sip slowly, enjoying every bit of it. Nothing like that. So it's not happiness is not in big things at all. When you smell a new flower, when you read a good book, watch a good movie, or have a hearty laugh with your friends during a chat, or enjoying the food served by your mother, that living in that moment, or listening to a good music, living in the moment gives you immense happiness. Next is self-care or self-love. Be kind to yourself. Before loving others, it's good that you should love all, but you should learn to love you first, because you are the most important person in this world. You face a lot of hardships day in and day out. Learn to love yourself first. More you love you, more you treat yourself with kindness and compassion, more you will blossom out. We don't love us, we don't have confidence on us, then who else will? So the first person to be loved and taken care is you. Take care of you, self-care, exercise well, have a balanced diet, sleep well. That is what is treating yourself kindly. Don't compromise on any of these things. For a healthy person will be the most productive person, and a happy person will be the most productive person. And the last thing which I want to point out is have some gratitude in life. Always have some gratitude. You are bestowed with so many good things. You are born and brought up here and healthy without any disease or infirmities. You have beautiful parents, you take care of them. You have wonderful teachers, you have given you education. You are surrounded by good friends who are your well-wishers. What else you need? So God has given so many good things. Learn to show gratitude for all the good things that you possess now. Don't envy or don't think about the things that you don't have. First think about and start enjoying the things that we have now. True wealth is a wealth that we enjoy first. So learn to enjoy what you have. Don't think about what you do not have. Develop this daily habit of writing at least 2 to 3 positive lines about the good things that you have, good habits that you have developed, good position you are in now. So all those things will give you positive signals and make you grow further. And that gives you true happiness. So learn to be happy. Learn to watch your thoughts. A healthy mind only can give you a productive life, and the quality of life depends on the quality of your thoughts. God bless you all.